I'll answer those questions. And अगर whatever तुझको start करना start कर, जैसे
हाँ
तेरे
स्टार्ट कर
को
सकते
flow
हैं,
लेना
स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं,
चल.
ऐसे नहीं. हाँ, so hello guys, welcome to It's Never Too Late podcast. Today we have Arjun Sarkar and Ruturaj Malavya with us. And today हमारा जो episode है वो it's like deviated from our main theme. It's a special episode because in the light of recent events we've seen that many people they're talking about mental health, they're talking about mental strength, they're talking about inner feelings, they're talking about all these kind of things, depression, anxiety. And to make sure that youngsters, because we're teenagers, we're not, हमें इतना नहीं पता होता है इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में, and we want help. That's why we have Mr. Arjun here. वो हमें बताएंगे how he'll address us on some points. He'll address us on how to fight these situations, because I mean he has obviously passed his teenage and now he's in his 20s, so he'll be able to guide us through all of this. So I welcome you, Mr. Arjun.
Thank you so much, Chris. Thank you so much, Ruturaj, for having me.
Yeah, so I think we'll just start with the questions, and I think Ruturaj will start us off with the question answer thing, because we want to address more and more questions that are there in the minds of everyone out there.
Acha, so let's begin with basics. How do you define mental health? Simple.
So mental health is something where see, your body का एक part है. Your mind is a part of your body, but your mind is completely separate from your body. If you have the experience, because I'm not a clinical psychologist, I can give you the understanding which I have got. एक mental health क्या होता है कि it depends a lot on your blueprint about life. Okay, every person, Ruturaj, you have your own blueprint. Krish, you have your own blueprint. I have my own blueprint. Okay, and ये blueprint बनता कैसे है? ये बनता है from your existing environment, from your peers, from your parents, from your ambitions, from your goals, from your preferences, from your dislikes, from everything which affects you as an individual. So for example, अगर X affects me, it is not necessary that it affects Ruturaj. It may not affect Krish. Okay. So एक mental health का definition ना is a very personal definition. इसका कोई general definition नहीं हो सकता. जैसे एक physical health का definition है ना, you eat well, you do exercise, you do this, and you are physically fit. ये एक definition है, which can, so mental health का ऐसे कोई definition नहीं है. But what we can say is, we can tell कि mental health में there are two categories. When you feel good and you feel bad. So it is more like a feeling brain. मतलब अगर आपका mental health देखिएगा ना, you feel realize यार today I'm not feeling well and I'm having these negative thoughts. Okay.
Correct. Yeah.
So if you categorize as these two aspects too. Okay. Now, if you want me to proceed on what I realize a mental health crisis is and what I have learned from my journey and maybe reading and seeing a lot of people. So I could categorize into three categories. Okay. One is clinical depression, which maybe in the later half I can put some insight on how you should tackle that. One is basic, your day-to-day minor, going from suffering to the level of depression. Okay, it's a category. So कैसे अगर मैं बोलूँ कि if we put it from a scale of 1 to 10. Okay, so 1 being like the basic suffering and 10th being the clinical depression. Okay, 8, 9, 10 let us categorize it as a clinical depression. जब भी 8 के नीचे और 2 के ऊपर जो है, ये सबसे crucial category है, which is not a clinical depression, but it is a level of suffering which you are not able to take. मतलब you are not able to handle it. And ये हर एक बंदे में अलग होता है. Okay, there's something which I can handle which is very well which you cannot handle. There's something which you can handle very well which I cannot handle. Okay. Yeah. So अभी एक crisis कब होता है? Okay. So first category में बोल दिया कि it is a clinical depression. Second मैंने बोल दिया कि suffering and your day-to-day depressions. And third which I categorize which is not talked about much is which is called as a spiritual depression. Okay. Where everything else is all right. मतलब सब ठीक चल रहा है, लाइफ में सब सेट चल रहा है, बट देयर समथिंग व्हिच इज नॉट फीलिंग राइट. ओके, बिकॉज़ अगर एक आदमी के लाइफ को देखोगे ना, देयर इज द स्पिरिचुअल एलिमेंट व्हिच कंप्लीटली गेट्स लिफ्ट लाइक मूव्ड आउट फ्रॉम आवर डे टू डे लाइफ, बिकॉज़ वी हैव बिकम very society oriented. We have become very what do you call that, or system where we don't look at ourselves. मतलब हम लोग अंदर नहीं देखते यार ये चीज एक्चुअली मेरे को खुश कर रही है क्या नहीं कर रही है, मेरे को अच्छा तो लग रहा है करने को, बट एक्चुअली इज इट माय what do you call that, my calling. I think I should put that to you guys. Have you felt some days कि यार सब अच्छा चल रहा है, आज बहुत सही किया दिन, but फिर भी I'm not feeling up to the mark. I'm not like something is there which यार कुछ तो, और certain days ऐसे है कि तुमने कुछ भी नहीं किया होगा और तुमको चला रहा है यार आज मैं बहुत खुश लग रहा हूँ, मतलब internally I'm very satisfied. So this is a spiritual element which needs to be addressed, which so we'll compartmentalize into these three. So first I'll take the second point कि suffering to the level of depression कैसे होता है. So again, I come back to the roadmap analogy. Okay. So like I said earlier in the introduction also, agar wherever I go somewhere, you just point me out so I can elaborate on that point.
Yeah.
So let's take it. Bolo.
About this second thing that you're talking about, the suffering part. So do you feel that there are any myths about mental health, like before actually saying, before people, because itna drama create hota hai, the people around you, they try to scare you, and all these fancy words, depression, anxiety, and all of this, they come into role. So do you feel that there are some myths about mental health, and there are some myths about all of these very scary terms? So many people, they might not be.
Yeah, so उसमें कैसा है ना, it is not a very straightforward answer, okay, because mental health, as I'll give you an analogy, okay, so that your viewers can like understand where I'm coming from. So let's take a car, okay, car के अलग अलग components होते हैं, okay, there's a tire, there's your engine, there is your body parts, there is all those. So this is what we have called it assembled. You have assembled a car. ओके, अगर गाड़ी के टायर में प्रॉब्लम आया तो व्हाट डू यू डू? तुम सोचते कुछ नहीं, तुम लेके जाते हो टायर मैकेनिक के पास, वो ठीक कर देगा. ओके, अगर तुम्हारे गियर बॉक्स में कुछ काम निकला तो तुम क्या करोगे? तुम मैकेनिक के पास लेके जाओगे और तुम ये करोगे. बट अगर इंजन में प्रॉब्लम निकला, आदमी डरता है, क्योंकि एन एक्सपीरियंस्ड ड्राइवर विल नो दैट इंजन में काम निकला ना तो बड़ा काम निकलेगा, because it is not a very simple mechanic.
Yeah.
Okay, it is much further than that, but I'm giving a very simple example for you to understand. So even me, when I was driving my car और engine में problem निकलता है ना, I try to delay it as much as it doesn't push my suffering. समझ रहे मेरी बात? ऐसे लाइट आएगा कि यार ये एक लाइट जल रहा है मेरी गाड़ी में, so you see it in a lot of there लाइट जल रहा है, पर you don't address to that, बोले यार इसको हाथ लगाऊंगा तो बहुत बड़ा फटका लगेगा मेरे को. Okay, so your mental health is very similar to that. So it is in a different context, but very similar. Mind में कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता है ना, क्योंकि अगर मेरे बॉडी में प्रॉब्लम हो गया, अगर मेरे हाथ में लग गया, आज मैं फुटबॉल खेला और मैं गिर गया और मेरे को लग गया, तो मेरे को पता है अगर हड्डी का प्रॉब्लम है तो मेरे को फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट के जाना है. अगर मेरे को एक्सटर्नल वुंड है, मेरे को एमडी डॉक्टर के जाना है जो एक दवाई लगाएगा, दवाई देगा. और एनी अदर पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी में प्रॉब्लम है ना, तो वी आर लाइक रेडीली डूइंग दैट. बट माइंड में है ना, वी डोंट नो व्हाट द प्रॉब्लम इज. Okay, because I told you these categories, क्योंकि क्या होता है, everyone presumes that a mild suffering is a clinical depression, and people who have clinical depression feel that I have a mild suffering. So it is very individualized. हर एक आदमी, so I have talked to so many people or I have referenced to so many places that I realized it is very personalized. A mental health problem, like an engine, is a very personalized. But what I personally suggest everyone is get it addressed. It is not a big deal. It is just your mind is not under your control. Simple. Period. अगर इसको तुम हवा दोगे, why I'm not also in favor of कि यार एक like it is like an epidemic. मैं अगर ऋतुराज को हाथ लगाया, उसको डिप्रेशन नहीं होगा मेरी वजह से. अगर मेरे को डिप्रेशन, मैं ऋतुराज को हाथ लगा दिया, उसको डिप्रेशन नहीं होने वाला. It is a very personalized problem, and which अगर हम लोग हवा देंगे उसको, okay, in both extremes, अगर हम लोग बोलेंगे कि यार it is an epidemic and everybody has it, तो क्या होगा? Every simple person who can like suffering, मैं elaborate को आगे करता, how the suffering are actually very useful, and that is what leads to success. अगर हम लोग suffering को clinical depression में डाल दिया category में, then there is no scope for human development at all. And clinical depression को अगर हम लोग ने general suffering में डाल दिया, then we are screwed. That person will have to go through. If people are not able to categorize between both, तो हमारा काम है उनको एम्पावर करने, समझने के लिए कि भाई ये दो में डिफरेंस क्या है,
अलग चीज होती है, हाँ.
ये बहुत ही अलग चीज होती है. और स्पिरिचुअल सफरिंग इज अगेन दैट्स अ थर्ड कप ऑफ टी. सो इफ आई कैटेगराइज ये थ्री ना, आई कैन गिव एज मच इनपुट सो दैट पीपल कैन सेल्फ एनालाइज कि यार इन तीनों में मेरे को कौन सा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. ओके, एंड दे कैन गेट इट एड्रेस. एवरीथिंग इज एड्रेसेबल, देयर इज नथिंग व्हिच कैन नॉट बी एड्रेस्ड. एक यूनिवर्स में एक कॉमन लॉ है. इफ वी आर हियर then all the provisions for us is also here. अगर मैं दुनिया में किधर भी जाऊँ, there will be the same air, oxygen, there will be the same water, there will be food, there will be everything. Food मेरे preference का नहीं रहेगा, but there will always be provision for that. So universal law, we are part of the universe. So there is nothing that cannot be. So there is nothing which will come into us which we cannot handle. क्योंकि if we cannot handle, we are dead anyways.
So everything has a solution in a way.
Everything has a solution, but you just have to realize कि आपको क्या हो रहा है. अगर आप clearly bifurcate कर पाओगे कि यार ये मेरे को हो रहा है और इस चीज का मेरे को क्या problem, like what is the tentative solution which I need to address, and you have to become scientist after a point of time in life, after I say 20-25, when you have gone through that phase where you have enjoyed your life and you have done all those things, you have to become a scientist, because then तुम्हारा body will start throwing up surprises which you will not even understand. अरे यार ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे को, like ये तो पहले कभी होता ही नहीं था मेरे को. Okay, I can give you examples in maybe later. जब you don't even know what the problem is. मतलब ये मेरे को कल तक ठीक था, आज मेरे को एक problem दे रहा है. Which is like, I'll give you one line answer. At the age of 30, I realized that having too much paneer is giving me problem. और मैं ऐसा बंदा था जो रोड साइड के जितने कचरे थे सब खाता था. And at the age of 30, suddenly my body starts saying that no, I'm not okay with it. So then I have to become a scientist.
Things pile up and then they show their effect.
Exactly, they pile up. They come out at a different stage. They come out. You also don't know maybe what is happening. So that time you have to become a scientist. So basically, pen and paper लेके लिखना पड़ेगा. यार ये मेरे को हो रहा है, ये मेरे को हो रहा है, ये मेरे को हो रहा है. And then you start planning कि हाँ यार ये मेरे को like this is what I have to do. Basically.
So how do you analyze the stages of depression, like clinical depression and the mild struggle or
see mild struggle कैसे, clinical depression कैसे होता है ना, the kind of depression it just like pulls you down, like you just cannot do anything. मतलब तुमको for days at end you are not able to work productively, you are not able to think clearly, you are not able to interact with people around you, you are not able to really what do you call, you cannot कैसे बोले, तुम्हारा डे टू डे ऑपरेटिव रहता है ना, वो चला जाता है. ओके, so that is where why do people actually commit suicide? If you look at it very this, अगर why, because they are not in sync with the next person next to them. Okay, वो कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं और सामने वाला वो समझ नहीं पा रहा.
Correct.
Okay, so that is where you are. Suppose for example me, you or anyone else, suppose we are stuck somewhere when the other person not even able to understand us. Okay, and we don't have the time to adjust. So okay, that is called as clinical. And suffering कैसे है? Suppose for example मैंने ऋतुराज को कुछ बोल दिया और उसको बुरा लग गया और 2 दिन तक वो उस पे like रहा और उसने एंगर बिल्ड किया उसके अगेंस्ट और ये किया. That is a small example. It can happen कि तुम फेल हो गए, या it can happen कि कुछ external environment से कुछ तेरे को something has happened to you that this, but suffering can go to the clinical depression level if you are not able to let it go after a point of time. अगर आप उसको let go करने को नहीं होता है ना, then that can like convert it into a clinical depression and all these things. And it starts with very very small points, you know. It can start with your diet, it can start with your lifestyle, it can start with your friend circle, it can start with your your ambitions in life. So suppose you have a good ambition in life but you are not actually working towards it, you know बाकी सब ठीक है but I'm not working towards that ambition. So that can build up over a period of time. जब वो build up होता है ना, then क्या होता है आदमी को, they don't know like why is this happening, but then they realize यार this is the reason. So when you actually break apart that car and you realize ये point डालते रहा, हाँ ये point शायद लग रहा है मेरे को which is like the problem for me.
Okay. Like a flow chart system or like planning things are very important.
हर एक बंदे का अलग है. जैसे जो जिसकी like अगर मैं एक one liner answer दूँ ना, then it is not right on my part. I can give you a one liner answer कि be more planned, be more healthy, be more connected to people, be more what do you say eat right. I can tell you all those things. But that is up to you. कि यार like your goals में मेरा कौन सा point fit हो रहा है. I have the saying, you listen to everyone, but end of the day अपना खुद का करने का. You are an independent being connected to something.
Yeah.
So for example, जैसे ये point में मैं आप लोग को एक point बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि because I have some experience working with people, maybe going through certain amount of it myself, or from what I've read and all those things, so I can give you my knowledge. But अगर तुम बोलोगे कि science theory में कुछ मेरे से बात करो, I have no answer for that. So क्या one liner answer देने का वही problem होता है कि one liner कोई answer होता नहीं है. Everybody has to pick up some pieces and like we are all assembled people. That everybody has to realize. That we are not like a dog, which is like a very clear कि यार ये 3-4 चीज मैं करूँगा. Like I'll eat, I'll sleep, I'll do this, I'll do this. Human intellect की वजह से ना, we are very versatile, we are very creative, we have our own preferences. So it is not, we cannot give one line answers for that.
Okay, so but you said कि it's like communication gap हो जाता है. That's why depression and all, from suffering stage to the clinical depression stage, you said that people are not able to express themselves clearly, people are not able to talk, and so there are also some people who don't like to talk, or who don't have the guts to speak out or to open up. They just keep it within themselves, and it just keeps eating them over and over again. So to those kinds of people, to those section of people जो अपने suffering को they want to make it, they want to bring it into clinical depression by not opening up, by not talking to anyone else, and by keep the hold of it, keep the hold of that thing that caused the suffering. What would you tell them? What would you say to them?
See, कैसे है ना, लाइफ में एक चीज होता है which is everything is compounding. Okay, suppose मैं जिम एक दिन जाऊँ, okay, मेरा बॉडी नहीं बनने वाली. अगर मैं जिम डेली जाऊँ for 2 years, then मेरा बॉडी बनेगा. So same way, you have to realize what you're holding on. इसका future क्या है? Suppose I'm smoking every day. Okay. After a point of time, we know what is going to happen. It may not happen to you per se, but numbers say that. Okay. So either again, I will not take any political stand. You should smoke, you should not smoke. Again, that is all your thing. But you should know what you're going into. Suppose I don't talk to people. Okay. तो क्या होने वाला है इनमें? Suppose I don't talk to you guys. For example, you're my friends. I don't talk to you for a very long time. Then what will happen? You all will move on in your life. तुम्हारा life आगे बढ़ेगा, तुम ये बने. But tomorrow when I come back to you and expect you to say that okay नहीं यार तुम लोग मेरे साथ like क्यों नहीं बात कर रहे हो? If you see old friends, जो even movies में भी ये joke होता है कि someone comes and says, it happens to me also. कि यार अर्जुन तू बात क्यों नहीं करता हमसे? I was like जब भी बात कर रहा था तभी you did not respond. So what do we? So suffering phase में क्या होता है? A man has to realize कि यार if I go into the later phases of depression, it is going to happen to everyone. That's not something which is there because human है तो वो सब suffering रहेगा. काफी सारे suffering रहेंगे जो हमको. But if you have good friends around you, it becomes much easier for you to live that weight. The same suffering is what? Say it is like a 100 kg dumbbell. Okay, तुम अकेला उठा नहीं पाओगे वो. By the time it reaches that level. Okay, so if you realize that I am not able to take my own load, then you realize okay, I have to go and talk to someone about this. So when you come into your earlier question कि यार कैसे समझ आते हैं कि यार if I'm having that clinical or I'm going towards the clinical depression phase, you realize you are not able to take your own load. And उसमें कुछ गलत मानने की ये नहीं है because we are part of the universe. So there are 2 laws for it. That my suffering is everyone's right and everyone's suffering is my right. तो अगर हम लोग ये पर्सपेक्टिव से देखें और हम लोग कल रास्ते पे जा रहे हैं और कोई बुढ़ा आदमी गिरा हुआ मिले, then I know that person suffering, and if I'm able to logically think okay, I'm not in an emergency and I can still go and address this guy, I can go and help this guy, then I will do that because his suffering is also my responsibility because I know there's this karma cycle which will happen, and जब भी मेरे को suffering होगा कोई ना तो कोई आएगा मेरे पास जो मेरे को help करेगा. So that is something which we need to be independent, yes, but we need to realize that we are part of the universe. We are part of the universe, we are part of a society, we are part of a culture, we are part of a lot of these things. We cannot detach ourselves and say that like I will not accept it. You don't accept certain points of it, or you make your own group. That's all doable, but you are part of the society. And as humans, if you are given this body, you have to realize that we are social animals. If I don't interact with you, and if I don't interact with this, it is not going to happen. Like, ये क्या है मतलब तुम you can reach the skies, you can have a lot of money, you can have all this, but at your deathbed you'll realize अरे यार I don't have that friends, I don't have that feeling, I don't have the memories. Like पैसे का क्या करोगे, वैसा वाला सीन हो जाता है.
Okay, so you're saying कि opening up is like very very important.
Opening up नहीं, it is like you have to address. अगर तुमको लग रहा है कि यार अभी मेरे को ये लोड हल्का सा पड़ रहा है, यार मेरे को इसको थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा. Go and talk to a friend. See what happens. Don't talk. इसमें ना एक चीज कैसा है ना, like your environment, how do you structure your life is also very important. तो अभी के जनरेशन भी नहीं बोलूंगा, because there's people. So people to people मैं बोलूँ, कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो you know who just, or maybe older generation है, they just call and talk nothing. आप देखोगे your father or your grandfather के time पे they just call each other and they not talk like anything. They just talk what is the day, what is the this like, about the weather and this. It is because they just want to be connected to people.
Yeah.
Okay. But अगर आप स्टेज 2 स्टेज 3 तक जा रहे हो, then you have to realize कि यार मेरे को I cannot avoid it after this point of time. Like you have to realize कि हाँ मैं avoid नहीं कर पाऊंगा इसको अभी. So I'll have to go and talk to somebody. What am I feeling? Not like उल्टी नहीं करना feeling. You have to talk to somebody कि यार I'm like ये मेरे को लाइफ में वो जो मजा आ रहा था, थ्रिल नहीं आ रहा अभी, या whatever you are going through at that time, अरे यार then you'll realize. So in a body there are 3 things which can happen. Okay, there's your body, there's your mind, and there's your intellect. So let's keep these 3 aspects. So I'll give you a simpler version. There's your body, your physical side, your mental side, and your emotional side. Okay. अभी हर 3 को ना you have to realize कि problem किधर आ रहा है. कि sometimes depression happen because you are physically there's some problem. This can happen when you mentally there's some problem. और third it can happen when there's an emotional problem. मतलब मेरा backlog मेरे बचपन में कुछ हुआ था, I have not resolved that in my head. So emotional brain है, it has not like really processed that information and really come out of that. यार बचपन में वो बंदे ने मेरे को मारा था. And as far as that problem will start happening. अगर आप देखो, you just look back, अरे यार मेरे को क्या ऐसे गलत चीज याद आ रहा है, you'll realize यार मुझे मेरा thought आते हैं वो टाइम पे, आता है कि नहीं कुछ तो यार वो है, but you will not realize वो कहाँ से आया. You thought that you have processed it. So that is where meditation comes into play. Maybe I am not like a structured meditation, but just sit with yourself and just keep asking कि यार ऐसे कौन सा unresolved thought है जो मेरे को bother कर रहा है, जो ये कर रहा है. तो वैसे तुम address कर सकते हो. Friends are obviously very crucial element कि यार अगर आप friends अच्छे रख पाओ, because family is different, friends are different. You need to have good friends. Your family is something which has been given to you. Friends are something which you make. So there's a very big difference. Because when you make good friends who are able to really process a problem with you, and not even the process your problem, they'll just be there for you. मतलब वो सुनेंगे और बाद में बोलेंगे क्या लड़की जैसे रो रहा है. For example, you have friends like that. But certain people के लिए वो जमते हैं ऐसे लोग जो खाली ऐसे सुनेंगे और बोलेंगे और इसको लगे यार मैं खुद अरे यार क्या है करके. For this is a guy joke. For girls maybe जैसे तू क्यों लड़का बन रहा है, I don't know. So that जो बोलते हैं एक या you should have multiple obviously. That जो बोलते हैं ना, certain thing which can learn from the earlier generation is that like giving a call to people for nothing. मतलब not really having any agenda in their for doing anything. Just talking to them.
That is nice. So this is like one of the main questions. So for example, let's say कि मेरे को I am in that clinical depression stage. Like you said कि suffering से clinical depression में अगर जाते हैं तो you're done for, or it's very difficult to get out, and it just eats you up. I did not say that. So I said that you can go from one, you have to identify where you are. I will not see clinical depression से भी लोग बहुत उभर के आते हैं. They do much better. So clinical depression again is not, but it's just your way you tackle that is different. Okay. No, you're done for in the sense I meant to say it's like very difficult to get out of it and again be at
it's again the same example. It's like you have that 100 kilo load on you. For some reason, again, I'll not say that you came through this part, because clinical depression ऐसे भी हो सकता है. Because suddenly you lose a loved one. क्या होगा? Certain people can slip into that clinical depression, so it is not compounded. Suddenly you have a love of your life and he or she has died. Then क्या होगा? So you slip into that place. So, but at that time you have to realize I'm not able to take this load. And it is okay. And there are people out there who will help me. Okay. So clinical depression को ना, let's not term it too heavy. Okay. Because it is again another part of your, like, the ailment. If you have a cancer, so it is like a cancer for your mind, so to say.
Okay.
So when you have a cancer for your body, there's a treatment available, right? You go to a cancer specialist, you do that. Same way, अगर तुम्हारा clinical depression हुआ, then you have to realize, okay, I have this problem. First, acceptance of that problem, and then start working on that. अभी उसमें आपको positive stories चाहिए, तो there's so many positive stories. That's why you should be well read. Or आप just go online and read stories. Because people, problem क्या है ना, as humans हम लोग बहुत short term सोचते हैं. हमको चाहिए कि यार आज के आज ये सफरिंग निकल जाए मेरे दिमाग से. हमको होल्ड ऑन नहीं करना उस सफरिंग को. ओके. व्हाट आई जनरली टेल इज तू उल्टा उसको एक गेम में कन्वर्ट कर दे. बोल कि तू कितना टाइम रहेगा वो देख. लाइक यू टेक दैट सफरिंग एज अ पर्सन एंड देख यार तू कितना टाइम रह पाएगा मेरे बॉडी में. इट इज इनसाइड योर बॉडी. ओके. अगर तुम बोलो
you make it a challenge.
You make it a challenge because क्या, you have to realize, okay, ये मेरे साथ हो चुका है. ओके. अभी मेरे को उसको उभरने के लिए मेरे को क्या करना है. अगर मैं उसको चैलेंज जैसे लूं और उसको बोलो यार ये मेरा एक चैलेंज है, बट then I have to realize that okay यार मेरे को सपोर्ट लगेगा. I need to get friends involved. I need to get this. I will have to let go of my ego कि यार नहीं, मैं अकेला हैंडल करूंगा, मैं ये करूंगा, वो करूंगा. In the end, you have to realize that when you reach to that level, there is darkness all around you. So आपको लाइट अपने लाइफ में खुद ही लेके आना पड़ेगा जाके. And I'll tell the positive side of depression and all those things is, once you come out of this, you are literally invincible, because you have seen so, like you have felt or you have seen so much inside you na, कि you feel invincible at times. I've seen people stories पे stories है इसके ऊपर, जो लोग who went into depression and then they came out. In fact, I can give one or two also. Maybe you know Abraham Lincoln.
Yeah.
He's supposed to have had clinical depression, and he was almost one of the best presidents of the country of United States. So you have to realize कि यार अगर ये go through करे, that's why I tell you I have so many stories. I can tell you a lot of these stories, but at that time मेरे ये stories आपको काम नहीं आएंगे. आपको खुद जाके search करना पड़ेगा. Just go to Google and search inspiring stories or whatever you're going through. Suppose I tell people कि अगर आप कैंसर कर रहे हो तो आप स्टोरी, क्योंकि प्रॉब्लम क्या है ना, डिप्रेशन के केस में प्रॉब्लम क्या है, विच इज अनलाइक कैंसर, इज हमको लगता है ये मेरा प्रॉब्लम है. ये प्रॉब्लम जमाने से चल रहा है. ऐसे नहीं कि आज के एड्रेस भी नहीं है, वो है प्रॉब्लम है. इट इज लाइक अ व्हाटएवर दैट इज लाइक अ ट्यूमर टाइप्स, कि यार वो होने वाला है. इट्स नॉट लाइक समथिंग व्हिच एक सॉल्यूशन करके कुछ है उसका. जो माइल्ड डिप्रेशन था हमको एवरी टाइम होता है. कोई भी चीज, जैसे अभी हम लोग कोरोना का कर रहे हैं, डोंट यू फील पीपल आर फीलिंग डिप्रेस्ड. बहुत लोगों का जॉब चला गया, बहुत लोगों का लाइक दे डोंट हैव अर्निंग्स, पीपल हैव कम ऑन स्ट्रीट.
या
सो लाइक दैट एस्पेक्ट रहेगा लाइफ में. ऐसे नहीं कि लाइफ लाइक गिव यू एवरीथिंग इन अ स्पून, बट वो ये कि क्लिनिकल डिप्रेशन अगर आप स्पेसिफिकली देखो ना, इट इज समथिंग वेयर यू नीड मोर हेल्प. You need more people to be involved in your life. You need more support. You need more this, क्योंकि वो एक चीज है जो आपको ओवरकम करने को आ गया ना. And I believe that most of the people can. तो उसके लिए मोटिवेशन ये सब की से ज्यादा you need to have a meaning. क्या मेरे को क्यों करना है? That time you start searching for meaning. जैसे you start reading books, you see Man Search for Meaning. अगर आप वो बुक पढ़े रहोगे तो you realize that एक जमाना था जब भी हिटलर ने जूस को कंसंट्रेशन कैंप में डाला था. Am I going through worse? So you start questioning yourself, not as like bullying yourself. You just start asking questions. नहीं, okay, this is not right. जो अभी कोरोना के वजह से these laborers had to go back to this on foot. Am I having anything worse than that? नहीं यार, I don't have anything worse than that. So you have to start questioning yourself. यार you have to realize it is not you. Something is happening to you.
Yeah.
अगर तुम्हारे घर पे एक कुत्ता घुस गया या whatever, कोई एनिमल, कुत्ता है गुड एनिमल, तो ऐसे एक शेर घुस गया, तो तुम क्या करोगे? वो शेर घुस गया, तुमको उसको टैकल करने का आना चाहिए. So if you see Life of Pi, when the tiger comes in, he is there. But वो स्टोरी को अगर आप बारीकी से देखो, what he is trying to tell is, अगर वो टाइगर रहता नहीं तो मैं जिंदा नहीं होता. So sometimes अगर आप यूनिवर्स पे रियली बिलीव करोगे ना, वो आता है तभी आपको समझ आता है यार ये चीज आया ना, इसकी वजह से मेरे को लाइक इट केम एट द राइट टाइम. Yeah, there's something which happened. These are again belief वाले aspects which can come, which cannot come. थोड़ा सा vague है, but I believe कि यार अगर कुछ चीज वो टाइम पे आता है ना, it is something which I like, either I'm doing wrong or I have to go in a new track. Then I start like working on that. Sadness से start होता है, but clinical depression में I tell you that you have to realize ये मंत्रा बना के रखो. My suffering is people's responsibility and people's suffering is my responsibility. If you have this mantra na, then it becomes so much more easier because you start accumulating karma points. For example, अगर आप आज से few of your viewers go out, देखते हैं रोड पे कोई right from रोड से कोई कुत्ते को कुछ हो गया से लेकर इसको हम लोग we start counting karma points. We are very selfish human beings. Humans are not so great. Humans are the most selfish people. Like selfish creatures. तो हम लोग अगर कर्मा पॉइंट्स बिल्ड करते हैं ना अपने अंदर, तो हम लोग वो रखते हैं दिमाग में, यार मैंने 100 कर्मा पॉइंट्स चाहिए तो मेरे को अगर मिलना ही चाहिए अभी. देन वी स्टार्ट एक्सप्लोरिंग कि हाँ मैंने किया वो अच्छा काम, तो इसके लिए आई कैन गो एंड टॉक टू फ्यू साइकोलॉजिस्ट, आई कैन गो एंड टॉक टू माय फ्रेंड्स, आई कैन गो एंड एक्सप्लोर. द थर्ड एस्पेक्ट, मे बी स्पिरिचुअल एस्पेक्ट आगे लेते हैं. थर्ड एस्पेक्ट इज लाइक अ सेल्फ डिस्कवरी व्हिच मे नॉट बी एड्रेस्ड थ्रू साइकोलॉजिस्ट और mild suffering. It is something which is a different track altogether.
Okay.
So how is success and mental happiness related?
See, success is a very vague term ना. हर एक बंदे का अगर सक्सेस का डेफिनेशन देखेगा ना, बहुत अलग रहता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर मैं तेरे को बताऊं ऋतुराज, अगर तेरे को बोलूं एक काम कर, तू तेरा बाल उड़ा, तेरी दाढ़ी उड़ा, और तेरे को अब कल से सूट वूट पहन के तेरे को कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में जाना है, और तेरे को एक लाइक तेरे को दूंगा मैं बहुत पैसा. ओके, बट इफ यू रियली लुक एट इट, यू विल रियलाइज ओके, वो पैसे आने के बाद देयर इज क्या, उसके बाद क्या, आई लेफ्ट माई सेल्फ फॉर दैट. बट अगर सक्सेस में ऐसे डिफाइन करूं कि जो चीज मेरे को करना पसंद है, ओके, आई विल नॉट गो टू द वर्ड पैशन बिकॉज पैशन इज वेरी लाइक मिसकंस्ट्रूड. बिकॉज यस, यू शुड बी पैशनेट अबाउट, बट पैशन को रख के ना तुम स्ट्रक्चर नहीं बनाओगे कि यार मेरे को अगर आई पैशनेट अबाउट बॉडी बिल्डिंग एंड आई डोंट गो टू द जिम एवरी डे, तो नहीं बनने वाला. इट्स लाइक मेरे पास पैशन है, पर पैशन के अलावा मैं कुछ कर नहीं सकता ना उसका. तो सक्सेस का पहले तो खुद का डेफिनेशन बनाना स्टार्ट कर दो. इफ आई, सो फॉर एग्जांपल फॉर मी,
so that is why like ask ki is success related to mental happiness? So like you said ki success is like different for different people. So for example, agar Ruturaj ke liye being happy with his family is means success, so does it mean that if he's successful then he's mentally stable? Or mere liye let's say success is being a footballer or something like that. So if I'm a footballer, does it mean that I'm mentally happy? That's what the question was, ki different definition of success ke liye, if the particular person is successful, does it particularly mean that he is mentally happy?
अगेन वही बोल रहे, इट इज वेरी शॉर्ट टर्म गेम ना. तो फुटबॉल खेलेगा तो कितने साल तक खेलेगा? 34, 35, 40. ठीक है, 40 के बाद तू क्या अनसक्सेसफुल हो गया तो डिप्रेशन में जाएगा. सो इट्स नॉट वेरी सिंपल आंसर कि इट इज गोइंग टू बी द सक्सेस. क्या होता है सक्सेस? इज वन एलिमेंट ऑफ
टाइम डेफिनेशन चेंज होता है.
एग्जैक्टली. सो टाइम टू टाइम डेफिनेशन वो खुद के डेफिनेशन से. आज आपको जो इंटरेस्ट, फॉर एग्जांपल ये इफ यू गो टू किड्स शॉप with children, so I have niece and nephew, so I go with him. He's so fascinated by this Legos and this and that. He's like जान है उसके लिए वो. But then आपके लिए वो fascination है क्या उस चीज का? नहीं है. But if you realize, if you ask your parents, वो बोलते तेरे को जब लेके जाता तो तू भी यही चीज करता था. So you're not having the same passion for it now. So success करके it's not like the word itself is just an element. Like health, success, ये it's a vague word which needs to be defined by every person to himself. अगर for example मैं आपको बोलूं, or any person who wants to be say financially successful, okay, and say he has a ailing parent, for example, will he go after his success or will he take care of his ailing parent?
Ailing parent.
नहीं, we don't know.
That is not how you
That is
can't
depends
judge,
on, again,
right?
it depends
I
on
mean,
his
no,
personal.
that was like my answer. That was my
Exactly.
yes, yes.
Every personalized. Suppose for example वो उसके पैसे नहीं है, वो जाके इधर पैसा दे सकते हैं. So it's all very personalized. कुछ लोग बोलेंगे नहीं मेरे को रहना पड़ेगा, कुछ लोग बोलेंगे मेरे को जाना पड़ेगा. So that's where we start differentiating from people, right? So we have to realize humans are very creative, and every human being is so different from the other कि अगर you can just take points कि यार मेरे पास ये मैं तू और ऋतुराज we play football, so that's a common point. But there's so many points which we may differ on so many different levels. तो सक्सेस करके एक क्या बोलते हैं, डोंट टेक इट लाइक अ मंत्रा कि यार ये सक्सेस का डेफिनेशन है. ओके, फ्यू जनरेशन अगो यस, बिकॉज देयर वाज स्टैंडर्ड मंत्रा, बिकॉज वो टाइम पे खाने पीने के बांधे थे. तो लोग बोलते थे कि यार मेरा सक्सेस का डेफिनेशन है मैं ऑफिस जाऊं, काम करूं, से फैक्ट्री से स्टार्ट हुआ, ऑफिस जाऊं, काम करूं, से लेकर अभी इट हैज कम टू अ फेज बिकॉज नाउ आवर खाने पीने का इतना लाइक वी आर ऑल नॉट दैट थिंग दैट if you stay in Bombay you will not go hungry or you will not die of hunger. वो in a way सब लोगों को समझ आ गया. So अभी हमारा mind is looking for something higher. तो success को अगर आपको really define करना है तो it again depends on very this. I will not say that तुम like all the people will tell me नहीं money is not success, यार ये is not success. Again it depends so much on the person. अगर वो पर्सन को पैसे के पीछे जाना चाहिए उसको पीछे जाना ही चाहिए, and he should take it as a. That's why I always convert everything into a game.
Yeah.
I write blogs on that concept of everything you have to convert it into a game. So if you do that, तो success failure तो कुछ रहेगा ही नहीं. Suppose अगर you are successful if you win. So if you define the game properly, so you are successful if you win. Suppose for example तू बोलेगा कि I want say ऋतुराज both of your अगर बोलेगा what is your passion? ऋतुराज what are your passion? No, fun, okay, that's so cool. Krish, what is your passion?
Content.
Krish, what do you want to be in 10 years?
10 years. I want to like make content. I want to generate content for like, people.
Okay. अगर मैं तेरे को बोलूं कि यार 10 years में तेरे को कंटेंट बनाना है, ओके, अभी इसको गेम में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. ओके, सी टेक अप 3-4 पीपल जो तेरे को लगेगा कि यार ये लोग मेरे से आज की तारीख में दे आर बेटर देन मी. ओके, एंड स्टार्ट स्ट्रक्चरिंग. बोल के मैं फर्स्ट डे में इतने लेवल का कंटेंट बना ही नहीं पाऊंगा, एंड से दैट मैं एवरीडे कंटेंट बनाऊंगा. टेक अ बोर्ड इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर वॉल. ओके, बोल के मैं एवरीडे कंटेंट बनाऊंगा एंड टिक एवरीडे खत्म होने के बाद जस्ट प्ले दैट गेम एवरीडे. एंड से कि यार मैं अभी सेम गो विद योर व्यूअरशिप. मैं बोलूंगा कन्वर्ट इनटू स्मॉल गेम्स. से दैट अगर मैं अभी 100 सब्सक्राइबर्स के लिए एम करता हूं पहले, देन आई से यार 1000 के लिए मेरे को क्या करना पड़ेगा, 10,000 के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, 1 लाख के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा. Then you convert it into games, but focus on that game. The life is a series of games. Your relationships are games. Your life is a game. This is a game. So if you convert it into a game, you realize success or failure कोई होता ही नहीं है. Like you either win or you lose, and if you lose, you learn. So it's like both are win-win only. So you don't go into that zone where you're looking at success. क्योंकि failure हुआ तो क्या? वो कोई पूछा? But if you lose, you know, okay, I can come back for the next game. So why this even one of the things why it is related to the depression topic is because हम लोग ने लाइफ को इतना like single line में लग गया कि यार मैं सक्सेस होऊंगा या फेलियर होऊंगा. We don't know what success and failure looks like. Hitler thought success is eliminating Jews. So अगर आपको सक्सेस और फेलियर के रोड मैप में जाना है तो we don't have some good examples. So let's not go into that game की success और failure है कि नहीं. More focus की what do I want to do. So example ले सकते हैं, you can take up templates which are already ready made available. अगर ये ikigai करके एक template है which says that okay what do you love to do, what is your passion, what you can get money for, and what the society needs. So ये चारों category के अंदर आकर आपका काम आ रहा है तो you try to pursue that whatever at that level. Or you can say standard template ले सकते हो कि यार if I have to do say 5 elements, what are the top 5 things I want to do. What say calendars बनाओगे अपने लिए कि यार मेरे लिए say for example football is important, so football is one calendar. Second is say health is important, so health is the second calendar. Then so you categorize कि calendars डाल सकते हो कि यार ये मेरा calendar important है और ये मेरे को जीतने हैं 4 calendar पे. And do that.
Okay.
Success
So
is a vague definition.
How is social media and anxiety related to teenagers or anyone for that matter?
See, social media is very good, okay, but it is not doing the thing which it needs to do. So it is very bad. तो मैं एक ही लाइन में दोनों आंसर दे रहा हूँ तेरे को. Because क्या है, social media is not a place where you should discuss your political views. You should discuss your ideologies. It is not a place. It is a place where we come together, okay, for a common purpose. अभी can be anything. For example, मैं like last week एक post किया. So I'm not really, मैं मोबाइल पे Facebook रखता नहीं हूँ. So last week मेरे को like I'm so एक आत्मनिर्भर करके चल रहा है. So I said okay, let me try, and so I wanted to learn coding for a very long time. So मैंने जाके post किया कि anyone knows anything about coding, so just give me some reference. So मैंने start किया, उसने कुछ मेरे दोस्त लोग ने डाला कि ये है, तू देख सकता है. तो I went there, I found one course interesting, so I started it. So that is it. एक दिन मैं I was in कोल्हापुर. So मैं कोल्हापुर गया था, तो मेरे को मैंने ऐसे ही डाला कि I'm in कोल्हापुर. कोल्हापुर के इधर मैं going for some friends wedding or something like that. और उधर मैं एक पोस्ट को देख के मेरा एक दोस्त बोला जो यूएस में था, वो बोला कि यार I'm also in कोल्हापुर, let's meet up. That's what Facebook and all these things are for. It is not for me telling why X person is good or why Y person is bad. And I feel social media right now, the way it is not good. You have to keep your distance from social media. अगर teenagers है तो definitely you have to keep your distance, because I'll tell you my example. For example, this whole whatever this 3 months हम लोग मिला ना, I would have done 20, 25, 40 activities. Okay, and I consider myself very what do you call controlled in a lot of ways. But still, पहले अगर मेरे को बोलो ना, मैं 2 काम करूंगा, 4 काम मैं पोस्ट करूंगा. अभी मैंने 40 काम किया रहेगा और एक भी चीज का पोस्ट नहीं किया रहेगा कि यार मैंने ये चीज किया. So it is not a competition. It is not something which I can improve somebody else's life because of that. I believe अगर मैं social media में जाऊँ, either I go and improve somebody else's life or I can take input from somebody else on my life. अगर आप और कोई aspect पे जा रहे हो ना, I don't think it is right, because क्या है, it is creating a lot of anxiety. It is creating a lot of this. In fact, I have I like the whole algorithm and all. मतलब yeah. But I don't like the way people because
the concept of
मैं अगर वापस आपको बोल रहा हूँ ना कि यार humans are not a very good creatures. We are not. We get triggered by the smallest of small thing. I don't know about you guys. मेरे को तो होता है, मैं कभी कभी जाता हूँ, देखता हूँ यार ये बंदे ने ऐसा लिखा, मेरे को ऐसे मन करता है इसको रिप्लाई करके मैं ऐसे लिखूँ करके. And which is nothing to do with me, nothing to do with my life, nothing to do with any of what I am going through, और neither ये मेरे प्लेट में खाना डालने वाला है, कुछ नहीं. बट मेरे को ऐसा फिगर आता है, तो सोचो ना, आई विद सो मच कंट्रोल मेरे को अगर आ रहा है, तो दोस पीपल हु डोंट हैव एनी कंट्रोल, अगर समझ मैं तू क्रिश, आई पोस्ट समथिंग फॉर क्रिश, यू गेट ऑफेंडेड, यू पोस्ट समथिंग फॉर मी, क्रिश गेट्स ऑफेंडेड, क्रिश विल पोस्ट समथिंग, तो क्या होता है, लाइक यू आर गोइंग अराउंड ऑन समथिंग व्हिच इज नॉट इवन रेलेवेंट टू यू.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, to a limit, you know, being aware and spreading awareness about a particular topic is very important. But then, you know, just in getting involved in it to that extent that you're just thinking about that and, you know, not caring about what's going on with your life, or, you know, you're just too much involved in that particular thing is wrong.
Yeah, exactly. Because see, end of the day, it is not, again, it is more like you have to empower people. Because government कुछ नहीं कर सकते इसमें. Unfortunately, because it has come to a stage where government cannot say tomorrow कि social media को ban कर दो, because there will be a backlash. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to realize that okay, it's like the tobacco of the 50s, 60s, 70s. It is just like that. It just gives us that temporary high कि यार हाँ मैंने कुछ post किया, मैंने कुछ comment किया, मैंने कुछ ये किया, but eventually कुछ उसमें ज़्यादा फर्क पड़ता नहीं. Like I am much more happier doing my shit without telling it to anyone than what I was when I used to tell everyone what I was going to do.
Yeah, that makes sense.
For example, ये podcast, so I should brag about it, right? But I don't. Maybe I'll post. Maybe I'll not. Also, I don't know. I mean, just, maybe the content I'm seeing that okay, the content is going on good, the conversation is going on good. I'll post it because maybe there are 10 people who may like see that okay, ये point कोई valid बात कर रहा है जो मेरे life में भी significance लेके आ सकता है.
Yeah. Okay, so I guess we're almost done with the episode, but I'd like to ask you one last question in this in this sphere of mental strength that we're talking about. Like my final question would be, what are your final inputs to a person who so like I said, if I'm a person who's suffering from clinical depression and all of that stuff, abhi main yahan hu, I'm just sitting here and I am suffering, I am in depression or whatever it is, there's some load on my mind that I need to clear. What is the next step that I need to take to make sure that I'm on the right path, the exact like next step that I need to do?
See, first point is you have to accept that there's a problem. Okay, वो
first
acceptance
comes
पहले आएगा
acceptance.
नहीं ना, तो problem को हम लोग सोच भी नहीं सकते उसके बारे में कुछ चीजें. And do the smallest of smallest action. I will not say that you go to a psychiatrist or this immediately. I don't know whether you have that guts, because वो सब भी करने के लिए ना, because of stigma and all these attack, people may not go in the first book. They may require some small thing. Maybe go and buy a book. Just read something. Just say that okay, I will focus my mind, put systems in place. Okay, just small system, not something. बोल के मैं आज एक ही एक्टिविटी करूंगा और मैं इस चीज में खुश रहूंगा. Maybe read a book. Maybe call a friend. Don't tell about it, but just try to talk to them. Maybe keep a timer and say that मैं 1 मिनट के लिए किसी बंदे से बात कर लूं. See, कैसे है ना, वो फेज में you have to realize that you have to start small to build that momentum up. लाइफ में ना कोई भी चीज मोमेंटम में होते हैं.
Yeah.
Okay. Not only clinical depression, it is for everyone. Okay. So for example, the way I started when lockdown started, everyone lost our momentum because क्या करने का नहीं समझ आ रहा है. So the way I dealt with this, every day morning I take a piece of paper and I write down whatever I have to do, and I just tick it off in the end. Simple. Even today I've written that okay, go do the podcast. Simple. There's no this okay, I have to do the podcast. Done. So I'm not overthinking about it. I am not worrying about it. I am not this. So okay, you have to put small systems in place. जो आपको लगे कि यार ये सिस्टम मेरे को, बिकॉज वो टाइम पे ना यू हैव टू रियलाइज यू आर नॉट थिंकिंग स्ट्रेट. ओके, बॉडी के अदर पार्ट्स में ना यू नो ओके यार हाथ के बिना भी मेरा काम चल जाएगा, पैर के बिना भी मेरा काम चल जाएगा, दिमाग के बिना कैसे काम चलेगा? बिकॉज द फर्स्ट स्टिग्मा इज सब लोग मेरे को मेंटल समझेंगे. क्या करूं मैं? फर्स्ट यू हैव टू रियलाइज कि यार मेरा माइंड में एक स्टॉर्म चल रहा है. उस स्टॉर्म को पहले तो मेरे को शांत करना पड़ेगा टू अ लेवल कि यार मैं थोड़ा क्लियरली सोच पाऊं कि यार मेरे को क्या करना है इसको लेकर. I'm telling the ultimate level of clinical depression. But if you are seeing that you're going towards that, then immediately रास्ता बदलना स्टार्ट कर दो. If you are seeing that okay यार आगे जाके मेरे को खाली स्टॉर्म ही दिख रहा है, तो तुम स्टॉर्म की तरफ तो जाने की कोशिश नहीं करोगे. अगर तुम वॉलंटरली जाना चाहते हो तो then it's a different story. But तुम तभी रास्ता नापोगे कि यार मेरे को तो चेंज करूं, मैं I'll go to this direction. This is like slightly better. Maybe go to a physiotherapist, a psychotherapist when you are like you feel that okay I am going towards that direction. Go to it immediately. Don't ponder over it. Don't overthink about it. Just go. And उसको मत सोचो कि तुमको immediately solution मिलेगा. It is just पेपर में एक्शन है बस. यार ये मैंने एक्शन ले लिया बस. Solution अपने आप होता है. बॉडी में अगर आप बोलो ना, डॉक्टर is not giving you the solution. Your body is doing the solution. Doctor is just facilitating that solution. अगर मेरे को कट हुआ,
you have got something.
Yeah. So for example मेरे बॉडी में ये है लगा है, तो डॉक्टर अपॉइंटमेंट लगाते हैं, बट मेरा बॉडी सेल्फ फील कर रहा है उसको. तो एट दैट टाइम यू हैव टू लर्न टू बी पेशेंट. इसके लिए तो फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली को सराउंड करना चाहिए अपने आजू बाजू. पहले से मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि स्टार्ट होने से पहले वो किस्सा ही मत जाओ. एंड आई एम सेइंग डोंट फॉलो द वेस्टर्न टेम्पलेट. इट इज नॉट अ गुड टेम्पलेट. डोंट फॉलो इट. वेस्टर्न टेम्पलेट अगर आप फॉलो करोगे, इट इज नॉट अ गुड टेम्पलेट. द इंडियन कल्चर इज प्रिटी सॉलिड, प्रिटी
stable, 10 times better than culture.
Yeah, if you want to learn from Western, you learn how the work ethics are. That is very good. But try to implement it with your Indian cultures. Because Indian culture में क्या, the parents, the society, the तो क्या है, अगर हम लोग वो सिस्टम आ जाता है ना, तो सैडनेस के लिए स्कोप होता है. When you start discussing, सामने वाला बोलते हैं हाँ यार मेरे को भी ये फील होता है. And we are very connected individuals. अगर मेरे को कोई आके बोलेगा
अलग अलग,
मेरे को अगर सैडनेस है और सामने वाला आके बोलेगा यार मेरे को ना अभी बहुत डिप्रेशन, हम लोग अपना सैडनेस भूल जाते हैं इमीडिएटली, क्योंकि सामने वाले को मेरे से वर्सर कुछ सिचुएशन है. सो फील दैट हाँ यार इसको मेरे को टैकल करना है. देन उसको टैकल करते करते तेरे को लाइक यू फाइंड अ सॉल्यूशन. यार हाँ यार ये मेरे को होता है. दैट्स व्हाई इज इट वेरी सिंपल मंत्र. अनदर मंत्र व्हिच आई केप्ट फॉर माय सेल्फ, बी एन एस. इट मे लुक वल्गर बट the 3 elements I told you: body, mind, physical, mental and emotional. As means for me it is be active, physically active, mentally strong, and emotionally secured. Because ये three elements अगर आपके पास आए, and you can do it on your own. Suppose you are a creative guy, then you can be mentally creative. Physically, if you don't want to be active, you can be physically strong. If you are a bodybuilder or something, or you want to be whatever. But I think that आपको अपना एक roadmap बनाना चाहिए कि यार ये तीन elements को मैं कैसे अपने, you give it a structure. यार ये मैं structure पे काम करना चाहता हूँ. फिर मेरा physical active, so if I tell myself I have to be physically active, तो उनके मेरे को पता है मैं एक slouch करके बैठा तो हाँ यार नहीं posture गलत है. Let me like be active. Like your mind starts working because तुमने एक mind को instruction दिया हुआ है. तुमने माइंड को इंस्ट्रक्शन दिया हो यार मेरे को ऐसा रहना है, then you start molding that direction, then you play around with it. जैसे बोला ना, become scientist. Every one of us has to become a scientist. And मैं again another thing, don't follow anyone. If you want to learn from everyone, but make your own roadmap. That's one of the crucial points which everyone needs to do. So as is one other thing which I promote, that okay, you have to find your own thing which works for you. And another maybe a point which I will tell for mild depression and all those things is, यार तुमको एक बात समझना पड़ेगा कि people before us have gone through worse, and that's a fact. Okay, अगर हम इधर आके बोलेंगे कि यार we are having this problem, we are having that problem, people who are shouting on social media, people are shouting on this, they have to realize कि भाई people in the past have gone through worse, and overall we have done better. Okay, the world is much better than what it was. Okay, yes, there are some teaching problems जिसको तुमको handle करना है. Nobody going to say that, but overall we have prospered. तुमको books पढ़ना है, read a book called Factfulness, जिसमें तुमको facts बताया जाएगा कि यार कौन सा how human race in general has done very well in the past decade or so. Like India में poverty used to be some 30-40%, and we have like now less than 5-10% of poverty is there. तो ये वो चीज पे फोकस करो, and उस चीज पे फोकस करो. Like put all your attention कि यार somebody is worse off than me, then how do I help him? Yeah. And depression के केस में I tell people, I put a post on WhatsApp also the other day. मेरा social media में brag करने से अच्छा कि भाई you are open to talk, just go and talk to your friends. How many of them bloody call their friends? I just call my friend without any reason. मैं जब call करके बात करता हूँ, क्या कर रहा है, क्योंकि मरा तो नहीं ना, मैं ऐसे बात करता हूँ. So that people know that I am there. It's not I don't have to tell them that I am there. अगर if each one of us say that okay, these 5-10 people are my close people and I'll take care of them, or their mental health is also my responsibility. Again, हर एक बंदे ना, if we start taking other people's responsibility also ना, they will start taking our responsibility also ना, so अपने से board कम हो जाएगा. Same example, it's like we are all sharing burdens. And only thing is, अगर हर आदमी बोले कि यार ये burden मैं अकेला ही लेने वाला हूँ, so then it is like slightly this, because it is not something which we can do. His psychology में बहुत load आने लग जाता है. People go through fascination, fantasies, वो सब. I don't think this is right.
अच्छा, what do you feel कि ऐसे reforms लाने चाहिए, या फिर मतलब ऐसे बचपन से ऐसे हम गलत सीखते आ रहे हैं, स्कूल में भी वगैरह and all that thing. ऐसा क्या है?
See, again बोलो ना, गवर्नमेंट जितना कम इन्वॉल्व है उतना बेटर है चीजों में. It is all again comes back to the point.
It's about us. It's about how we want to. Like,
see, government is something which we make. So government को अगर हम बोलेंगे कि यार ये चीज के लिए भी तुम ही काम करो, एक चीज के लिए भी तुम ही काम करो, then हम क्या काम करेंगे? So we have to start
responsibilities. Why?
So for example, अगर children in our times, again, but times I don't want to mention it like a vague thing कि मेरा time I'm an old guy, ऐसे नहीं है. But क्या होता है, there is this always this construct that we एक child को अगर promote करना ना, there has to be hardship which has to come in. मेरे को किस्सा तुम लोग से बात करने से पहले ही याद आ रहा था. So I used to play football. So I used to train football. So I was very like that upstart footballer as a child. So one who लोग बोलते थे will play big. So I used to train with a lot of very crazy coaches. Okay, some of them were brilliant, some of them were eccentric. So I realized one of the coaches who was there, he used to make us run rounds. So our ground was big. So he used to make us run rounds. और बोले कि मैं जाके पिस लेके आता हूँ. जब तक मैं आऊँ नहीं ना, तभी तक तुम लोगों को दौड़ना बंद नहीं करना. दौड़ना बंद नहीं करने का. And that bloody guy used to go there, have a vada pav, go sit somewhere, and he'll come after 45 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours. कभी तो 2-2.5 घंटे तक वो करेगा. एक रीजन है बोलेंगे यार ये क्या है करके. दूसरा रीजन मैं अगर इंटरप्रेट करने की कोशिश करूँ, यार इट मेड मी स्ट्रॉन्गर. At 12 years I could play with 16-year-old kids. because I was like trained by that guy. So अगर आप देखो कि यार अगर आप बोलोगे कि if your child is not able to take it, then that's okay. But don't make this as a reform कि everyone को भी same ये मिलना चाहिए. Because eventually it is a society where the best has to be in a place where he has to. अगर आप बोलोगे एक reform लेके आओ कि say for example जो US में चल रहा था कि no child left behind and everyone को admission. I believe everyone should be given opportunity. But are they giving the same output? अगर वो बच्चे को उस चीज में इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है और उसको उधर अपॉर्चुनिटी दिया जाए. मैं सेम एग्जांपल बोल रहा हूँ. अगर मैं क्रिस तेरे को से साइंस में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है और तेरे को मैं साइंटिस्ट बनाने की कोशिश करूँ, कोई इंटरेस्ट यही नहीं है. अगेन इट गोज बैक टू वेरी पर्टिकुलर. वी हैव टू एम्पावर मोर पीपल टू मेक अगेन बिकम साइंटिस्ट विद देयर किड्स आल्सो. कि मेक देयर किड्स कि यार इसका स्ट्रेंथ क्या है, इसका वीकनेस क्या है, वीकनेस में मैं क्या चीज को उसको डाल, पुट हिम इन प्रेशर वेरी स्ट्रेंथ्स आर so that he grows much faster. So we all become scientists in our own lives. We don't government को जितना दूर रख सकते हो उतना दूर रखो, because government को अगर involve करेंगे ना then it will only create more chaos. तो government क्या करेगा? कल आएगा रूल लेके आएगा कि okay now for mental health we have to like everyone has to go through psychology class or a physiotherapist or sorry psychotherapy session or a counselor session. उसके बच्चे को तो चाहिए ही नहीं ना. क्या करेगा? लाइक कुछ बच्चे को चाहिए नहीं. लाइक चाइल्ड लाइक मी विल नॉट नेवर बी एबल टू डू इट. मेरे को अगर बोला जाए कि तुमको एक लाइक इसके जाना, आई विल फील लाइक क्या हो गया करके. तो इट अगेन वेरी वेरी मच डिपेंड्स ऑन द लाइक द चाइल्ड. सिम्टम्स दिख जाते हैं ना. अगर तेरे को कुछ तो लंगड़ रहा है तो दिख जाता है यार ये लंगड़ रहा है, इसको दिखाना पड़ेगा. दैट्स व्हाई द सोसाइटी अराउंड अस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. क्या दिख रहा है इसका कुछ मेंटल स्टेबिलिटी कुछ तो गया हुआ है. That time you have to go and take the charge and say, okay, बेटा क्या हो रहा है तेरे को? Okay, do you feel this? Do you feel that? Do you feel this? Again, context भी समझना पड़ेगा. ये किस चीज की वजह से? एक straight line नहीं draw कर सकते यार ये उस चीज की वजह से. अगर तुम हर टाइम जाके बच्चा गिरा तो हर टाइम जाके स्कूल में गाली गलौज करोगे तो कौन सा स्कूल तुम्हारा बच्चे को एंटरटेन करेगा? So you have to realize that a child has to stand in the society also. So it is not your child, but it is a society's entity now. और वर्क इसकी सोसाइटी में मैं इसको सबसे बेस्ट कैसे हो पाऊँ, नॉट कि यार मैं इसको कैसे. So it's a very dicey thing, and I think there are a lot of people who are doing amazing work in this field. I just feel that society around us needs to realize that the empowerment they have, it is not the government, it is not some culture. जो लोग बोलते हैं ना, अगर मैं एक और चीज बोलता हूँ, कभी भी कोई बोलेगा ना कि सोसाइटी ऐसा है, सोसाइटी वैसा है, ब्लेम करते ना, डोंट इवन लिसन टू देम. बुलशिट है. सोसाइटी करके एक ये नहीं है. यू एंड आई आर आल्सो सोसाइटी एंड वी थिंक कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट. अगर जो बोलते हैं ना, फॉर एग्जांपल लेट अस टेक समबडी टेल्स की सोसाइटी स्टिग्मेटाइजेस गे मैरिज फॉर एग्जांपल. आई डोंट स्टिग्मेटाइज गे मैरिज. आई एम ओके विद इट, यू आर ओके विद इट. So we are not society. So he must be living in a place where those people are stigmatized. So it is not a society. So we have to take topics which are relevant to my society. For example, अगर मैं आज ये इंडिया में देखूं क्या मेरे प्रॉब्लम्स है. Yes, we need to give people employment. Today is that urgent necessity. So what we have to do, उस पे काम करो. अगर मैं आज उठाऊं टॉपिक कि यार we should give say I don't know some abstract topic which is not even relevant today. और जो टेंपल का टॉपिक लेके लोग झगड़ा कर रहे हैं कि यार टेंपल में फीमेल को जाने देना नहीं चाहिए, नहीं देना चाहिए. उस I'll tell them you're losing a cause. because उससे तो तुम खुद के लिए एक टेंपल बना लो ना. You tell no gent should come there. Simple. तो क्या हर एक चीज का सोल्यूशन है. बट सोसाइटी करके ना हम लोग उस चीज को कंफ्यूज करते बैठ रहे हैं. लेट अस थिंक क्लियरली. अपने माइंड को क्लियर रखना चाहिए उस चीज पे. I forgot what the question was, but मैं आंसर दे दिया उसका.
It was really enriching, and I hope कि जो भी ये लोग देखेंगे हमारा podcast, they'll definitely take back something from it, if not many things. But it was seriously like enriching off the recording too. It was really nice talking to you, and बहुत मजा आया आपसे बात करके. It was lot
Thank
of
you so
input.
much. I think you guys are doing good, and I think let's focus on getting more people aware कि यार उनका strength क्या है. I think that is something which you should start promoting in your podcast. Tell people कि बस you have more strength than you think, and read books, go and talk to people who are knowledgeable, go and talk to elders, my best knowledge I've gained is from people who are old. I just go and talk to them with an open mind. They have 10 topics which I don't like, but I just take the 2 topics which I do. उससे जो learning मिलता है ना, उसका कोई हिसाब किताब नहीं. And just do what you like. For example, at 30, I decided that I wanted to go and build body. I said, मैं जाके जिम में body बना लूंगा. I decided I want to go back and start playing football. I play with you guys. I play football almost pretty regularly. So it is all up to you how you define what your life is, what your purposes are. Don't एक सोसाइटी करके एक डेफिनेशन मत जाओ. जैसे बोला ना, सक्सेस के लिए कोई स्टैंडर्ड डेफिनेशन होता नहीं है. हर बंदे को अपना डेफिनेशन खुद बनाना स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा. Because we are all come to that stage that we are so empowered to make our own this. So again, let's take that थोड़ा चीजी लगेगा, बट प्राइम मिनिस्टर का जो पॉइंट है कि आत्मनिर्भर मतलब बिकम आत्मनिर्भर. go and figure out what you want and where is it you feel that मेरा लाइफ जाना चाहिए, and do that. And those who are going through clinical depression, I'll tell them that boss, तुम्हारा केस तुम्हारा नहीं है. Lot of us have gone through that, maybe not to the level in which you are going through, but you have to realize, when you realize this point कि तुम्हारा load is your world's load and world load is your load, then you will also start doing stuff. तुम जाके एक dog को feed करने को देखो. Do something which will realize that you are part of this world. Maybe go and put a seed for a plant, or maybe go and clean the road. Maybe go and don't tell anyone about it. And you realize तेरे अंदर एक confidence जो बढ़ने लग जाएगा ना, for at least seeing the okay, then you can go into a therapist and then you can start working on the positive. But first step is take that primary action, वो time के लिए, which will help the society. Maybe you know some old lady who needs help, go and help her. Maybe you know that somebody needs food, go and pack fresh food and give that person, or give a dog, or give something. So क्या अगर वो positive step अगर हम लेंगे ना, तो it is like, it is not, you will not come out of clinical depression by itself, but at least you know that okay यार मैंने एक step लिया वो direction पे. Then क्या second step, third step, you have to build it up from there.
Yeah. Correct. Thank you so much, Bhaiya. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much for having me. चलो, adios.
चलो, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.